and chocolate chips and milk.
Oh, is that what Santa wants? Okay, what else does Santa want for Christmas?
Let's see.
He wants what?
He wants rainbows. He wants reindeer.
Reindeers is what he wants for Christmas?
He wants
How many
big
reindeers?
reindeers.
He wants big reindeers?
Now he can fly.
Wow. What else does Santa want for Christmas?
Oh, keys.
What does Santa want for Christmas?
Cake cookie. I just see Santa's lap.
You're going to sit on Santa's lap?
And you go told him what he wants for Christmas.
What do you want for Christmas?
A princess purse.
You want a princess purse? And what else do you want?
A lake.